And there's a couple ways of putting the thin set up on the walls. You're gonna be doing this.
Oh, okay.
So this one is
It's like painting.
yes, but so it's like the goal is just to apply it. So we mix our thin set a little bit looser. So you gotta like dump it in like this a couple times. Alright. Do you wanna see this, Alex? Kinda looks fun. You go like this, and then you do a little and then you flip it around. Hold on, chill. Alright. And then you get to here, and then it's just applying a layer like that. That's it. So don't roll that out. Now get back in the bucket.
What did you say? Don't roll it out?
Like don't roll it out. So now get back in the bucket like this.
What would you call what you just did?
I'm just applying it.
Or you're not rolling it out?
Yeah, see like, because we need it. Like, so it's like a layer like this until you kind of turn it the whole way. That's it. So don't go back and like roll it because you know what I'm saying?
I do.
You want to try it?
I know what you're saying.
Okay, you're about to have a booger fall. There you go.
A couple times you said?
Yeah. Shake it and then flip it around. Yeah, and then kind of like right next to it, nice and slow. Here you go. All right. So then once you're doing that,
Slow processing.
once you're doing that, I'm going to have this 1/8" trowel behind her, and then I'll be the one that's actually kind of like directional trowel this for our membrane. So, oh, quick.
Did you see that?
Yeah. So you'll do that, and then I'll kind of start applying it in these corners. Yeah, you got it. Pretty good. All right, in the bottom too.
Yeah.
Let's do it. This is definitely a two-person job. So as I'm holding this roll and I kind of have it a little bit elevated on these tiles, Catherine is going ahead and applying more thin set all the way to the corner. Then we'll kind of trowel it out and then kind of keep going all the way to the end. I mean, this took us literally 15 minutes. So we're moving pretty quick here. You having fun yet?
Yeah, this is kind of like spreading icing.
Yeah, it kind of is like a pancake batter mix.
Yeah.
Right, that's the content.
Yeah.
Would you say that's it?
Pancake batter, sure. Chunky.
Yeah. Chunky. Yeah.